I can't believe I finally get to say this, but my channel is YouTube monetized. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm super pumped, super excited about this video. It's going to be pretty much uncut. I'm going to share with you how long it took me to get my channel to this point where I can actually get paid for the ads that run on my channel. I'm also going to share with you the entire YouTube monetization process. So if you are interested in making money on YouTube, with YouTube monetization, then this is going to be a video for you to watch. I'm also going to share with you some of the pitfalls that I fell into and things that you really should avoid when starting your YouTube channel. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's get right into it. Now, in order to become eligible to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, your YouTube channel has to have a minimum of 1,000 YouTube subscribers, as well as 4,000 watch hours within a rolling 12-month period. Now, that's actually the part that I found the hardest to do, to get up to the 4,000 watch hours within a 12-month period. Now, I'll go over that a little bit further into this video. Now, I started actively uploading videos on my YouTube channel back in June of 2019, and I didn't actually get the apply now button for YouTube monetization until April 23rd of 2021. It felt painstakingly slow trying to get up to the 1,000 YouTube subscriber mark. I remember going from 0 to 100 subscribers by simply asking my friends and any stranger that I bumped into to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And then going from 100 to 1,000, it literally felt like it was never going to happen. But as I put out each new video and I was starting to get 1 more subscriber, 2 more subscribers, 10 subscribers, I was starting to actually move up, and that was making me feel a little bit better. I also used Pinterest to try to drive that Pinterest traffic over to my YouTube channel and get more people aware that I existed on YouTube. That did help a little bit as well. But ultimately, it was one YouTube video that I posted on March 22nd of 2021 that lit a fire under my channel. Within a month of uploading this video, I was able to actually apply for the YouTube monetization program. This video currently has over 33,000 views, and it's on a topic that I normally don't even discuss on my channel. That brings me to a couple of lessons that I learned along this journey. Now, first off, the more often you show up to bat, the more often you stand on that plate, the more chances that you are giving yourself to actually hit a home run. Now, there came a point where I was getting a little bit discouraged because I was posting video after video and not really getting the kind of momentum that I was looking for. So I started posting 3 videos a week. All of a sudden, it became 2 videos a week. And then before you knew it, it was 1 video every week and a half to 2 weeks, roughly. And then I just decided to get back on the horse. I started posting more videos, and then I got my home run video. Here's the thing, I'm not new to stock trading. As a matter of fact, I've been doing it for a few years now, but I had never posted content like that on my channel. But seeing that I wasn't getting the kind of momentum that I wanted to, I thought, well, what the heck? Let me go ahead and just literally try something new. And so I posted that video and it worked. It freaking worked. It excited me so much to see all the views on that channel, on that video, and all the engagement. So here's my suggestion to you. When you're first starting out with your YouTube channel, don't be afraid to take risks. Don't be afraid to do things that are off track than what you initially envisioned your YouTube channel from being, right? So my channel has mainly talked about affiliate marketing as well as making money online. But I'm actually thinking that I'm going to pivot more and talk about Roth IRA accounts as well as stock trading. It's still something that interests me very much, and it's something that my audience really enjoys hearing about from me on my channel. Another thing you absolutely want to stop doing right now is comparing yourself to other YouTubers. I fell into that trap, and I will tell you that it really will stump your growth. It will start getting into your head, and you'll be asking yourself, well, what is it that I'm doing wrong that is not getting me the kind of traction that is getting these other YouTubers traction? And so here's the thing. There are so many factors that have to align perfectly in order for you to literally get that kind of momentum that you're looking for. And it does take some more time than it will others, and that's okay. Your journey is unique to you, and you should never compare yourself to other people. But if you're finding that you're still struggling with your YouTube channel, or let's say you're someone that is interested in starting a YouTube channel, then I do have a free resource for you underneath this video. It's going to share with you the 3 reasons YouTubers fail and how to avoid these mistakes. It's also going to share the 1 power strategy for getting views and making money on YouTube, as well as the most recent tactics based on YouTube's newest updates for 2021. So if you want that free resource, simply check under this YouTube video in the descriptions for that resource today. Okay, so going back to the YouTube channel monetization process, if you remember, it was April 23rd of 2021 that I was able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Then I received an email, and then they told me to actually just go over 3 very simple steps in order to get monetized. Step number 1 was to review the Partner Program terms. That was pretty straightforward. I pressed a button and I was good to go on to step number 2. Step number 2 was to sign up for Google Adsense. Now, I don't have a Google Adsense account, or rather I didn't have one prior to this, and it was a very simple process to do. I simply gave Google my information on my company name, my company address, and the tax information necessary that they needed to pay me out later on. So that took about a day for them to review, and then right after that, it automatically went green, that button, and then it went on to step number 3, which is where YouTube will actually review your channel, make sure it fits the terms and services of their advertiser guidelines. There's nothing sketchy on your YouTube channel, basically. And then they give you the notification as to whether your channel is approved for YouTube ads. And that actually happened on the morning of April 26th of 2021. So it literally was about 2.5 days and I was officially monetized. Once you get that official notification of approval that you are YouTube monetized, then you can go back into your YouTube channel, go to all your videos if you'd like, and you can hit this monetization tab and press on. So I went ahead and I did that to all of my videos. Now, I'm still super brand new to this, so I can't share with you exactly what every single thing on here does, but you get to play around with this dashboard. You get to add where you want all of these ads to be placed on your videos, so you actually control that. You don't necessarily control what ads are being watched, but you do control what ads are being placed and where they are being placed on your videos. So I thought that was super cool. Now, obviously, the longer your video is, the more ads you can place, but you also want to be careful because you don't want to turn off your audience by placing way too many ads within your videos. Earlier on in this video, I mentioned that the hardest metric for me to hit was to get up to the 4,000 YouTube watch hours in order to get monetized. Now, for the longest time, I was posting videos that were 30 minutes long, 45 minutes long, up to an hour and 15 minutes long. Actually, my first video was over an hour long. Now, these are the things that I changed because we all know that everyone's attention span right now is pretty short. So you want to do 2 things in order to really start gaining momentum on that 4,000 watch hour. So here's the first thing that I did. I started creating videos that were between 9 minutes and 12 minutes. Sometimes they went a little bit longer, but that was okay. Now, the second thing that I did was I really started putting more effort into editing my videos. Now, I generally will have someone edit my videos, or I will do my own video editing. Now, that really makes a huge difference because it actually, helps to keep people's attention when you do different cuts. You cut in, you cut out, and it keeps people more interested on your video and watching your video longer. Now, if you have no clue at all how to do video editing, there is a program that I will recommend to you. It is down below underneath the YouTube descriptions. Even if you've never done any sort of video editing in your life, this is going to share with you how you can easily do that. So definitely make sure to check that out in the descriptions of this YouTube video. So I really want to show you how much YouTube pays me for the videos on my channel. I think it will really surprise you to see this. It absolutely blew my mind. I was not expecting this, and it does vary from channel to channel and from niche to niche. So I do plan on putting a video together for you. Now, depending on when you're watching this video, that video can all be done right now and you'll be seeing it pop up on your screen. Otherwise, you'll be seeing that video coming up very, very soon on my channel about how much YouTube pays me for a small channel. I'm only 2,600 subscribers at the time of this recording, and I think it's really going to be interesting for you to see this. I'm also very excited to see where my channel goes in the next year or two, so it's going to be really cool to have this video to look back on and see how it all started, how I got YouTube monetized, and where I am at that point in time. Guys, I'm super excited about this. If you're interested in watching that video, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as hit that notification bell for when that video comes up. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I, of course, could not have done this without you. So if you have a YouTube channel, let me know all about it in the comments down below. I'll make sure to check out your YouTube channel as well as show you some support on your channel, just as you have shown support on my channel. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.